Tired of scrolling through Amazon and finding the same old phone cases and charging cables? Let's shake things up. Today, we're diving into 10 seriously cool tech gadgets you didn't know you needed, but once you see them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. From clever little desk upgrades to futuristic problem solvers, these picks aren't just about looking cool. They're about making your daily routine smarter and more fun. Stick around because by the end of this video, your shopping cart might be a little heavier, but your gadget game will be next level. All of the product links listed in this video are in the description below. For more details and information, visit our website, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's jump into the video. Rokid Max 2 AR Glasses. Rokid Max 2 AR glasses instantly impress with their lightweight 75-gram build and airy cushioning that makes extended wear surprisingly effortless. You can multitask on a unique 3-screen display, switching between work, gaming, or video apps without lag, something rivals rarely manage. Modes like rating, sports, and giant screen adapt fluidly with multiple aspect ratios, ensuring versatility that outshines single-purpose competitors. Myopia and IPD adjustment dials provide sharp clarity, letting you fine-tune vision without extra accessories. Cinematic visuals deliver bright, vivid imagery with smooth 120 Hz refresh. You'll appreciate seamless cross-device sharing and immersive streaming. Altogether, this headset redefines portable AR performance. Magnetic Bluetooth Speaker. Magnetic Levitation. Bluetooth speaker instantly grabs attention by floating and spinning midair, something few rivals pull off with such style. You enjoy up to 10 hours of playback, making it practical for parties, work sessions, or relaxed evenings. Bluetooth 5.1 delivers stable connections and clear sound, outperforming older 4.2 speakers. As decor, this gadget transforms offices, bedrooms, or coffee shops into futuristic spaces that impress guests. Gift potential is huge, especially for science fiction fans who crave unique tech. With its 5-watt louder sound and rechargeable 1,500 mAh battery, this orb balances novelty with real performance, redefining what a portable speaker can be. Ninja Multitool Card. Wallet. Ninja Multitool Card surprises you with 18 functions packed into a credit card-sized frame that slips neatly into any pocket. You open bottles, tighten screws, peel fruit, or even set up a phone stand without carrying bulky gear. Durable 4x heat-treated steel construction outperforms cheap knockoffs that bend or rust after a few uses. TSA. Friendly approval means you travel stress-free while still keeping essentials on hand. Tactical survival utility makes it handy for campers, bikers, or everyday emergencies. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, this multi-tool proves more reliable than most wallet gadgets and becomes a must-have for daily convenience. OUTON Smart Floor Lamp. OUTON Smart Lamp instantly impresses with its Alexa and Google Home compatibility, giving you true hands-free lighting control. You also switch settings effortlessly through the app or remote, a step up from basic lamps that rely only on touch controls. Super bright 30-watt LEDs push out 3,000 lumens, filling large rooms with clear light while lasting up to 50,000 hours. 4 color temperatures and full dimming provide flexibility, letting you create either sharp focus or warm ambience. A 360-degree adjustable head and memory function make everyday use smooth. With a sturdy build and simple assembly, this lamp outperforms most budget smart models. Enabot EBO Robot. Enabot EBO Robot instantly charms with its mobile design, letting you drive it around the house while streaming crisp 2K video. You'll love how the cute big-eyed face adds personality, while the self-righting body keeps it steady against curious pets. One-touch call pairs quickly with your phone, and two-way talk makes staying connected effortless. Night vision and built-in recording capture clear footage even in low light without needing extra gear. A 5,000 mAh battery powers hours of use, and magnetic USB-C charging snaps in smoothly. Compared to static cameras, this robot feels smarter, friendlier, and far more versatile. Ringo Insulated Water Bottle. Ringo Water Bottle changes how you stay hydrated by doubling as a MagSafe phone mount with full 360-degree rotation. You keep drinks hot for 12 hours or cold for 24, outlasting most stainless steel bottles. A secure tripod mount lets you film workouts, stream calls, or follow GPS without juggling devices, and the included booster ring works even with non-mag-safe phones. Durable, scratch-proof steel construction and a powder-coated finish give it a premium feel, while the carry loop makes travel easy. Compared to standard bottles, Ringo delivers both refreshment and hands-free convenience, making it uniquely versatile for daily use. HOTO SNAPBLOQ Toolkit. The HOTO SNAPBLOQ Toolkit makes your workspace feel smarter and more efficient. You'll appreciate its 3-in-1 magnetic ecosystem that snaps the A01 screwdriver, A03 drill, and A04 rotary tool together, keeping everything organized in seconds. Brushless motors deliver stronger power and longer life than most compact kits, providing precise control across various projects. Switching tools feels effortless, letting you tackle electronics repair, jewelry making, or sanding 3D prints without hassle. USB-C charging adds real convenience, eliminating battery waste. Accessory cases hold 114 pieces neatly, so you stay ready for anything. This all-inclusive setup outshines many competing portable tool systems. ZALVEX Men's Wallet. The men's minimalist wallet feels like a major upgrade over bulky leather options. You'll love the quick access feature, where a single button neatly pops up cards in a staggered stack, making selection faster than most slim wallets. Its slim body still packs surprising capacity, holding up to 12+ cards while keeping a sleek profile. A clear ID window saves time by letting you swipe without removal, which many rivals overlook. RFID blocking adds security against hidden scanners, giving peace of mind in crowded places. Packaged in a premium box, this compact credit card holder makes an excellent present choice. STM ChargeTree Go. STM ChargeTree Go makes charging feel effortless and organized. You'll appreciate its Qi-certified performance, powering iPhone, Samsung, AirPods, and Apple Watch with dependable speed. A compact and portable foldable body gives it an edge over bulkier docks, letting you slip it into a bag without hassle. Space-saving design with a retractable Apple Watch charger works perfectly for nightstand mode, while staying neat when tucked away. Case-friendly compatibility ensures most slim phone covers and AirPods cases charge without removal. On-the-go convenience means you can power 3 devices at once, making this versatile station stand out against traditional single-device chargers. Pro Lens Kit. Pro Lens Kit instantly upgrades your smartphone photography. You'll notice the TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens captures 45% more of every shot without dark corners, beating cheaper clip-ons. Claris 15x macro lens reveals sharp details up close, letting you photograph textures and patterns that standard phone cameras miss. Glow Clip rechargeable LED light delivers warm, even illumination with 3 brightness settings, far better than harsh built-in flashes. A True Grip lens clip keeps everything secure, even during quick movements. Quick-release lanyard and travel case make carrying simple, ensuring your setup is always ready. This versatile kit outperforms most portable lens options,